In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly use PineScript in TradingView. PineScript is TradingView's built-in language for creating custom indicators and strategies. Whether you want to visualize moving averages, highlight conditions on the chart, or backtest a trading idea, PineScript is the tool that makes it possible directly inside your browser. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart you want to work with. Pick a market and time frame that makes sense for your test. Stocks, crypto, forex, it's all supported, so you can immediately see how your script behaves on real price data. Next, open the Pine editor. You'll find it in the interface, typically as a panel at the bottom of the screen labeled Pine Editor. If the panel is minimized, expand it so you have a clear workspace. This is where you'll write or paste your PineScript code. If you already have code, paste it in. If not, you can begin typing a simple script. Just make sure the version declaration at the top matches what you intend to use, such as version 5. And remember that indicators and strategies are defined differently, so choose the right one for your goal. When your code is in place, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the script and apply it to your open chart. If there's a syntax error or a missing reference, you'll see an error message. Simply correct the code right in the editor and click Add to Chart again to reapply it. Now, check your chart to confirm everything appears as expected. Overlays like moving averages will show directly on price, while many other indicators appear in a separate pane below the chart with their own scale. If you used a strategy, you'll see plotted entries and exits along with performance metrics. Make sure the visuals line up with your intent and that the values look reasonable for the time frame you chose. Once you're satisfied, click Save to keep your script for future use. Give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. Saving stores the script in your account so you can reopen it and apply it to other symbols or timeframes without rewriting anything. When you want to make changes later, open the Pine editor again, adjust your code, and click Add to Chart to update the chart with your latest version. Save those changes so you don't lose your progress. And that's how to correctly use PineScript in TradingView. Subscribe for more tutorials.